Oh hey guys, thank you for watching my channel and watching this video. Now what we're about to talk about is how to get your channel off from review and get you monetized. Now this is gonna be it might work with you, it might work to some, it might not work to others, but here's how I did it in my end. Now, I was monetized before I got demonetized way back in 2017 since I wasn't able to hit the minimum subscriber count of 1,000. As you can see here, I've already reached that, and what I did was I had to wait for about 2 days or 3 days. I'm still waiting for the review. So what I did, just to expedite it or try to ask what's going on and see what else I can do. So I sent an email to the YouTube support. Now I'm gonna show you how I did it and how I got monetized. Now, if you have a phone or an iPhone here for an example, even an Android phone, all you have to do is just open up your YouTube channel, your YouTube application, click on the account you have on the upper right, and then select help and feedback right down below. Now once you click on the help and feedback, it will bring you to this page. Now you just need to click on send feedback. You don't need to include the screenshot nor the system logs. All you have to do is just type in the next text here. You can see here. Now all you have to do is just type in this, and you'll be good to go. Just send it to the YouTube. Now for the people who has a PC or would prefer using the PC, just go ahead and enter youtube.com on your web browser, whichever browser you have there. And afterwards, you just have to click on your name or your account on the upper right, and then select on your YouTube Studio or YouTube Studio Beta. There you go. Just click on that, and it will go directly to your channel or to your channel studio, and there will be an option there for us to send the feedback. Now you just need to scroll down, and you can see at the bottom right there, send feedback. Click on it. Now you don't need to include the screenshot as well. All you need to do is just type in what I've typed. Alright, and you're good to go. You can just send it out to the YouTube support, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to receive it within 24 hours. That's how I received it. Now what I mentioned here, so basically it's just straightforward. Hi YouTube team, I finally reached the required watch time and subscriber counts to get monetized again, but I'm still under review as of the moment. I know it has not been a month yet since the review started, but let me know if everything is alright, or if you need additional information. I will be more than happy to provide to move my application forward. Thank you, you have a great day, and hope to hear from you soon. Best regards. And if you're asking if this is your first time to submit or getting monetized, so I would suggest remove the again word from the monetize again, and you're good to go. You can just send this out to the support team. I'm hoping they'll reply back to you in the next 24 to 48 hours. Now it all depends. I think if you don't have any strikes within a 90 days period, or any claims on your YouTube video library, that might affect your approval. So hopefully need to remove those and make sure that you're all in good standing, and I'm pretty sure you'll be good to go. Alright, so I hope this helped you out, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.